Firstly, we'll crack 2 eggs into a bowl, mix it, and add 2 tablespoons water and mix it as well, and set aside. In another bowl with 2 cups all-purpose flour, add 1 teaspoon salt, mix it. Then we'll pour our egg mixture and mix it again. Using our hand, we'll start kneading until everything comes together around 10 minutes. Don't worry if it's too stiff and hard though, just give it time. Knead it into a square, more or less, and cover the dough with cling film. Rest for 30 minutes. After that, we'll bash it using a rolling pin for another 10 minutes. This will help develop gluten without hard kneading. Then we will roll the dough into 1 to 2 mm thick. Then cover both sides of the dough with generous amount of flour to prevent from sticking. We'll fold the dough into 3 parts without pressing it. Using a sharp knife, we'll cut it into 2 mm strips. Then sprinkle more flour and toss to loosen the noodles. If you want to find how to boil these egg noodles, head on to my next video, chow mein recipe. That's it. Thank you for watching.